Okay, so let's get started with our Haitian Epis fresh seasoning. Okay, so here I'm cutting the ends of this garlic head and removing all the shells from it. As you can see, I believe I did 2 heads of garlic. It all depends on the size of your garlic, guys. So here I have bell pepper, red bell pepper, and green bell pepper. And I have a bunch of parsley. I end up doing 1 and 1 of the bell peppers. And here I have 2 stalks of celery. And guys, this seasoning, trust me, you're going to need it if you're going to be cooking with me, because I'm going to bring you some great recipes that you will be using this seasoning, okay? So take notes, take notes. So here I have a bunch of cilantro. Here I have a scallion. That was a pretty big one. And I'm telling you guys, like I said, make sure you have this in your fridge if you're going to be, especially in the next few recipes I have coming to you. I have grill, which is Haitian fried pork. And when I tell you guys, that was delish. That was delish. Okay, so here, as you can see, I chopped up a big onion. If they would have been small, I would have did 2 small onions. And here I am adding some fresh thyme. I did about 10. So we are using Maggie cubes, and we're using that one with the little blue circle in it. And we're going to make sure we crumble it into our mixture. And while we doing this, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that like button. All right. So here I am juicing a whole lime. Yes, we're going to add some lime juice to this, and also some olive oil. So I'm adding a little bit at a time. Also with the lemon juice as I go. And also some vinegar. Okay, you could use the apple vinegar, or you could use the regular white vinegar, whichever you prefer. And the vinegar is gonna be a small amount, guys. I would say about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half. It depends the amount that you are making, and it helps with preserve your fresh seasoning. All right. And guys, this in Puerto Rico we do one that we call Sofrito, which I also have the recipe in my channel. And most of the Caribbean cooking, Caribbean people, you already know, we like putting some fresh seasonings in our food, which should create a very tasty dish. All right. So here I'm adding a little bit of water, the olive oil. And as you can see, I'm adding a little bit at a time. And as I blend, I chopped it up a little bit. And then I blended it a little bit. So it all depends if you want your pieces bigger or smaller. I like in between. And you see that? You see that? That is your Epi fresh seasoning, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button. And I will see you in the next recipe. Look out for it. That Haitian fried pork called grill is coming your way. Have a blessed day.